Uniswap expected to grow 3% tomorrow, per 30 rates metrics. To start, here's how the movement looks at this stage. At this point, Uniswap has gained 4.1% over the last day and is trading near $3.952. Let's move into the projection roundup. Tomorrow, 30 rates predicts a level of $4.07. That's about 3% more than the current price. Traders Union foresees Uniswap moving up to $4.042, a rise of approximately 2.3%. Coin price forecast highlights the potential to move downward to $3.95, a projected fall of 0.1%. Another outlook from Digital Coin Price sees Uniswap heading downward to $3.871, a drop of approximately 2.1%. And last but not least, Gov Capital Collector expects the value at $3.747 by tomorrow, 5.2% below current price. This is the top return forecast. That's the full round of calls. Let's continue from here. Now that we've seen the forecasts, here's the breakdown. Looking across the forecasts from each market expert, the price may shift anywhere between a decline of 5.2% and a gain of 3%, depending on the analyst. This means Gov Capital Collector comes in with the top forecast with 5.2% gain in value by tomorrow. As a result, you could earn between $1 and $52 for every $1,000 you invest. According to volatility-based calculations, Coin Price Forecast's forecast stands out with a 97.2% chance of success. By bringing all the forecasts together, I've created a single consensus overview. Consensus calculations suggest Uniswap holding at about $3.936 with minimal change. Now, let's get into the numbers. The consensus forecast shows a possible price decline of 0.4% by tomorrow. Said simply, your capital could also climb by 0.4% along with the same change. For every 1,000, that could suggest a potential increase of $4. According to the consensus, the likelihood of this outcome is estimated at about 96.8%. So now, let's take a look at how analysts predict the price direction over the next 3 days. The outlook from 30 rates shows the price drifting lower. Traders Union indicates that Uniswap is likely to remain steady. Additionally, Coin Price Forecast believes the market is set to remain unchanged. A bearish forecast is made by Digital Coin Price expecting losses. Meanwhile, Gov Capital Collector sees Uniswap trending lower. The consensus highlights downside potential, keeping Uniswap on a bearish track. In total, 60% of analysts point to a downward direction for Uniswap. 2 days ago, 5 sites posted forecasts for the next day. That day has passed, so let's see how they turned out. As a result, the actual price settled around $3.861. 4 out of 5 were correct about the direction. Best forecast on accuracy came from Traders Union. Now it's time to go through the results systematically. 4 forecasts were inside yesterday's candle span. Looking at ROI, all analysts achieved gains with CoinLore ranking first. Up next, the results view. A clear picture of how all forecasts worked out. Also in today's table, CoinLore had 71.8% forecast probability, accuracy, and 5.3% ROI. See if your favorite analyst managed to stay closest to the move. Let's take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow compare among a few selected cryptocurrencies. Uniswap takes third position among all forecasts, as SUI holds the strongest outlook with 1.5%. We're focusing here on 5 coins, and the full ranking of many cryptocurrencies by forecasted profitability will also be open soon on my website and Telegram. That's all. Subscribe so you can track which forecasts stand the test of time. See you later.